Hello, welcome to another class arena video tutorials on PHP. Today we'll be taking you on PHP strings. Alright, so in this video we will look at some commonly used functions to manipulate strings. So we're starting from the length, getting the length of a string. The PHP strings length function returns the length of a string. Okay, so let's take a look at this example. Alright, in the example below, this will return the length of hello world. Okay, so this is how you can write it, although we are echoing it out so we can see the output immediately. Alright, so from here you can see the echo strings length. This is the function, and then in brackets hello world. Alright, so this is our output. So you can just count it from here and you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 with the space, of course. Alright, so that's 12 characters. Very simple as that. So let's go to the next slide. Count the number of words in a string. So in PHP we have a function which is string word count. It will actually count the number of words in that particular string. So let's take a look at this. Echo strings word count hello world, and it will count just 2. This is the output, 1 and 2. Simple as that. Right? Actually taking a string from the back to the front. So let's take echo string reverse hello world. This is the output. Now it's now taking this. You can see the way it's arranging it. So that is just that. The system is a bit slow for it. Yeah, it's right. I don't know what happened. Actually, I shut it down for a long period now. So I think that is why. Search for a specific text within a string. Okay, the PHP string position function searches for specific text within a string. Alright, so if a match is found, the function returns the character position of the first match. If not match is found, it will return false. So the example below will show you exactly what we're saying. So let's take a look at it. So this is just that string position, and we are looking for hello world. So what is the position of hello world? You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First word. So that is that. Very simple. And let's go ahead. Replace text within a string. A PHP string replace function replaces some characters with some other characters in a string. So let's take a look at it. In this one we'll be replacing. Alright, so look at this. Is your function. You have word dolly hello world, and your output was our hello world. Sorry, hello dolly rather. Okay, so we are removing this. This is what we had, and this is what we are replacing with. Alright, here. And we just try it and then we see what happened. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can get notification on our subsequent video. Alright, so thank you.